Hi, I'm Kimberlee Edwards with Keller Williams Cary. Today I'm at 2038 Fellini Drive in Apex, North Carolina. This is one of KW Cary's latest listings, and it's listed by Michael Recife. This 2017 custom-built home is located in the Casa community. It has 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and over 4,800 square feet of living space. It also has an attached 3-car garage and is located on a little bit over a quarter-acre lot. Let's go check out the inside.
We stand in the silence and worries just fade away. And this fire that burns inside, a million voices with just one line. And they will see a sign, a million hearts from 1,000 miles. They're running along to the streets, the rising in tides. We gonna build a city, nothing we call us the cold for crumbling empire. We gonna build a city lights. We gonna take back the summer and spend this long night awake. Let it be the drama, our heartbeats will start us way. We're gonna light like a sun, moving as one, shining the night away. And we stand in the silence and worries just fade away. And this fire that burns inside, a million voices in the same line. And they will see us shine, a million hearts from 1,000 miles. And running around to the streets, and rising in tides. We gonna build a city, mountain we call us the cold for crumbling empire.